Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haba phai pa chakajing persang man kan tiu ya ke jela Meghalaya haki kamil akai sports ka kan hon menteri hakani kasngi kala ngap bat khmi bnya ru ya ke jing pen khaya katnat sports and youth affairs ke jela ya ke Meghalaya State Sports Policy 2018 hadian bala jure bnya bat penbet penbiang ki jing tuna hangni hangtai ya kani ka policy ka kan hon menteri hakani kasngi kala manjur ya ke Meghalaya State Policy 2018.
We spend a lot of time on this state sports policy, and you are aware, in consultation with IIM Shillong, policy was drafted. Not less than 3 times it has come up to the cabinet, and ultimately today, after fine-tuning all aspects of this policy, so the cabinet today, I'm pleased to tell you, we approve the draft Meghalaya State Sports Policy 2018.